Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can change or adjust the text alignment for paragraphs and text blocks on your websites you create and edit on Webflow. So let us dive into this. So guys, here in the site designer, navigate to the given page, select it here, next insert a text block or a paragraph through that plus button in the top left, scroll down to typography and choose one of these text options. I'm going to use this paragraph here I'm going to add it to that section. So double click into it to change the text, and then you will be redirected to the style tab here on the right hand side. Scroll down to typography, and after adjusting the font, the text weight, the size, color, and so on and so forth, it's time to change the alignment. So if you'd like to position it in the center of the text box, click into this button, and now as you can see, it's in the middle. You may do also that here, right, left alignment, or justify it like this if you have a long paragraph. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.